Namaste to all dear students. Here I am with a new video relating to manufacturing account, trading P&L account. In this video we are going to solve a problem relating to manufacturing, trading and P&L account. Sometimes these type of problems will be asked. Generally these will not be asked for become general and computer students, but for others honor students these type may be asked. So and for Icsc Cbsc syllabus these type of problems will come in intermediate stage itself. So without wasting further more time, let us discuss the problem. From the following balances are balances in the ledger of Mr. Suresh for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so whatever expenses you generally post in trading account like factory rent, factory power, factory related expenses, wages, etc., will come in manufacturing account. And in trading account, when manufacturing account is separately prepared, opening stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods and cost of goods produced only will transfer to trading account from manufacturing account. So let us see the problem. Discount debit, this is expenditure, comes under P&L account. So if it is relating to P&L, I'll write P. If it is relating to manufacturing account, trading account, I'll write for manufacturing M and for trading T. So discount debit, this will come under profit and loss account. Carriage inward, this will come in manufacturing account. Rent rates will come under P&L account. Printing also come under P&L account. Purchase of raw material will come under manufacturing account. Sales will come under trading account. Opening stock of raw material will come under manufacturing account. Closing stock of finished goods, opening stock of finished goods will come under trading account debit side. Factory wages manufacturing account. Sale of scrap manufacturing account only but credit side. Carriage outward will come under P&L account. Advertisement P&L account. Miscellaneous expenses P&L account. Interest paid is finance cost, that comes under P&L account. Fuel and coal comes under manufacturing account. Factory power comes under manufacturing account. Insurance relating to fire insurance, this will come under P&L account. Staff salaries P&L account. Electricity P&L account. Bad debts P&L account. Depreciation, this depreciation relating to plant and machinery, so will come under manufacturing account. Depreciation on furniture and fixtures, this will come under P&L account. Okay, we have denoted all the things which will come where. Let us see further information in the next page. What they are saying: prepare a manufacturing, trading, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022. Stock as at 31st March 2022, that means closing stock. Raw materials is 46,900. This 46,900 will come under raw material means manufacturing account. Finished goods, it is little bit blurb, I'll write amount 1,52,300. This will come under trading account credit side. Okay, so let us see the solution relating to it. Manufacturing, trading and profit and loss account. Okay, manufacturing, trading profit and loss account of Mr. Suresh for the year ended 31st March 2022. Okay, so here is the answer relating to it. So to raw material used, opening stock of raw material plus add purchases of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. Okay, so material used or material consumed you will get here. I repeat, opening stock of raw material 1,24,400, purchases 3,49,800. We will add purchases to opening stock less closing stock 46,900. This 4,27,300 is nothing but material, raw material used. Carriage inward 10,000, factory wages 49,700, to fuel and coal 11,200, factory power 25,600. All factory related expenses will come under manufacturing account, and depreciation on plant and machinery also will come under manufacturing account. To this raw material, if you add all these expenses, okay, and deduct the less sale of scrap, this will be deducted. Whatever total you are getting now, this total, okay, 5,45,090 rupees, whatever is there, that we will call it as cost of goods manufactured transferred to trading account. Okay, all expenses minus sale of scrap. You can less sale of scrap here, or you can write credit side by sale of scrap. Then also cost of goods manufactured will be the your balancing figure. Okay, so this balancing figure, whatever is there, is carried down to where? Trading account. So let us see here. Continuation, trading account. Opening stock of finished goods 63,800. Cost of goods manufactured, this is transferred from manufacturing account 5,45,090 rupees, this one. And we have sale given 5,60,000 in the question, and closing stock of finished goods, by closing stock of finished goods 1,52,300 given in the adjustment as a note. So sales plus closing stock minus opening stock of finished goods minus cost of goods manufactured will give us gross profit 1,03,450. So gross profit carried on will be 1,03,450. Here ends the trading account. Okay, this trading account gross profit will be transferred to P&L account by gross profit brought down, and all indirect expenses will come under P&L account. Carriage outward 12,400, advertisement 12,000, discount debit they said, that is discount allowed 2,400, rent taxes 13,300, printing and stationery 2,600, then bad debts 6,080 rupees. Next we are having miscellaneous expenses 3,300, interest finance cost relating to 10,792, insurance 1,760, staff salaries 13,800, electricity 2,500, depreciation on furniture and fittings 2,860. If all together we deduct, okay, all indirect expenses if we deduct, these all. From gross profit, if you deduct all these things, we will get net profit transferred to capital 19,518. This is how we need to prepare manufacturing account. Okay. Sometimes there may be a direct question relating to theory question. Explain the difference between trading account and profit and loss account, like that. So don't forget to learn theory also. Manufacturing account, this is the format we discussed in the previous video. In this video we have done one problem relating to it. Hope you understood how to prepare manufacturing account. In the next video we are going to discuss preparation of trading P&L account. So like, share and subscribe the video. Just I am telling it because if you like, that will be recommended by the YouTube to the others, so others may get benefit of it. So like करो, share करो, और कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट करो. We will discuss those things in the next video. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. जय हिंद.